A lot of motorcycle crashes happen because riders misuse the front brake on their motorcycle. During emergency braking situations, you don't want to reach out and grab that brake lever. A better option is to slowly squeeze the brake lever until the motorcycle begins to slow down and come to a complete stop. When releasing the brake lever, you want to slowly release the brake lever and not just quickly let it go. If you do so, you could cause the motorcycle to lose control and have an accident. Also, you don't want to apply the brakes when the handlebars are turned, or when you're going into a corner, or when the bike is leaning. Only apply the front brake when the motorcycle is upright and traveling in a straight line. Practice these techniques and ride reckless.